One of the most embarrassing things to experience is toenail fungus. There's nothing worse than having to be showing your feet with yellow deformations on your toenails when you go to the pool, when you go to a public place, anywhere. This fungal infection, properly called onychomycosis, I think that's how you pronounce it, is a discoloration of your toenails where the fungus thickens and cracks the structure within, and God mercy, obviously cannot be eliminated as easily as we thought. So in today's video, we're going to reveal the most powerful and effective home remedies for toenail fungus you can use at home, naturally and effectively. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor to help patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to receive notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need important quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share extra tips and video links related to this topic. Millions of people suffer with toenail fungus and don't do much about it, especially because they ignore that many home remedies that they have in their kitchen can solve the problem. Onychomycosis, as it's called, is a common fungal infection of the toenails. The most noticeable symptom is a white or brown yellowish discoloration in one or more of your toenails, and it can spread to others if you don't do something about it. Sandal season or not, toenail fungus is not something any one of us likes to see. Obviously, especially not on our own feet. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal some of the most important and powerful effective home remedies for toenail fungus you can use at home, naturally and effectively. Number 1, oregano oil. Yeast is a type of fungus that we all have, by the way, that can be harmless when the body is able to contain and obviously control the overgrowth of this infection. Now, the overgrowth of this organism is the one who's going to cause the problem. The good news is that oregano oil is a 100% natural essential oil that you can find in a supermarket that can actually be very effective against 5 different types of candida. I would say this is one of the most powerful and effective essential oils found in nature against fungus, and you can use it at home. Why not? Now, to treat toenail fungus, you only need to apply oregano oil to the affected nail twice a day with a cotton swab and wait. That's all you need to do. Some people mix oregano oil with tea tree oil together and claim that it has a better effect, but oregano oil already works. If you're going to use and try this method, I suggest you do it for a long time and you stick with it. Fungus is hard to eliminate and you need time and perseverance to get rid of toenail fungus effectively. If you need a good quality formula that has proven to be very effective for this problem and others of fungus inside your system and outside in the exterior, look for Can Defense from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Can Defense contains oregano oil and 13 other natural ingredients for yeast and fungal infections. So very powerful. Number 2, use Vicks VapoRub. This might sound surprising to many of us, but it's true. Vicks VapoRub can also combat toenail fungus. Not as effective as oregano oil, but it can really do the trick. And although this popular over-the-counter cream was originally designed for cough suppression, its active ingredients, camphor and eucalyptus oil, have been seen to treat toenail fungus. A 2011 scientific study shocked the world by revealing that Vicks VapoRub has a positive clinical effect, that's what it said, in the treatment of toenail fungus. And although it might not eliminate this health condition completely, it does definitely help. That's what I just said. Now, if you're going to use it, I suggest you do it along with other home remedies that can help. For example, you might want to use apple cider vinegar that has proven, and I will talk about that in a minute, or oregano oil at the same time. If you need something natural that can help you with every single part of combating this toenail fungus, look for I'm Defense, which is for your immune function, I'm Defense, Ultra C1000, and Can Defense from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 3, use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a home remedy that has tens of uses in natural medicine, and treating toenail fungus is one of them. It is very effective. One of the most common ways to use apple cider vinegar is as a toenail fungus treatment, and it's used as a foot bath. That's how you need to do it, foot bath. This cheap but very effective type of vinegar, which by the way is not your common apple vinegar, that's different, has been seen to cure this health condition when it's done for an extended period of time. It won't work if you do it one day. It has to be an extended period of time. 3 months, 5 months, that does not matter. Your nail has to change completely. There should be enough fluid in the basin to cover your toes completely when you use it, by the way. And the only thing you need for better results maybe is to warm up that water and have that clean foot bath every day, twice a day if possible. Now, obviously people want to see the results right away. We're getting used to pushing a button and having that result all on our screen, but that doesn't work with medicine. So go ahead and take your time, make sure that you're perseverant, and you will see the effect. If you need something natural for this purpose, look for Appleizer Can Defense and I'm Defense from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 4, use garlic. Garlic is an excellent antifungal that can treat not just candida, but other types of fungus as well. There's a massive amount of scientific evidence that supports the fact that this is an antifungal. And researchers have discovered that this most important agent is called ajoin, I think that's how you pronounce it, can kill a wide variety of fungal infections. Now, to treat toenail fungus, you want to use whole garlic cloves, crushed garlic, or garlic oil. You could put it on top of your toenail in areas where you're not going to smell it, because obviously that's going to be the problem, but you can use the oil, put it on top, and eat some garlic also. That will help circulate and kill any fungus that might be needing to be eradicated before it heals on your toenail. So use garlic. Garlic can help, and garlic can also have that effect on your body. If you need something natural for this purpose, once again, very important for your metabolic rate to be functioning when your infection is being combated, look for metathyroid, thistle essence, and Can Defense from Fineland at drlandivar.com. And help out the channel by giving this a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have a question, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos where we talk about vitamins that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.